Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off comments on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile, and you want to select the profile button at the bottom right if you need to navigate to this page. Select the hamburger icon at the top right, just left click on that one time, and then select where it says Settings and Privacy. Underneath Account, you want to select where it says Privacy. And now underneath Interactions, select Comments. And where it says Allow Comments From, you can click inside of here and you can adjust who it's coming from. You can select No One. And then once you're done, you just can close out of here to save that. You don't have to save anything, but I just turned it back on. I don't want to turn off comments on my account, but if you did in your case, click inside there, select No One, or you can select Friends too if that's all you want to have turned on. And that's pretty much it. You have additional comment filter settings through here, but that isn't really what the purpose of this tutorial necessarily is about, but not a big deal either way. And that's all you need to know. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.